Click on Tracking Manager. Here you can see the Vendor Manager section. The Vendor Manager manages vendors by manually and auto-blocking scripts and tags. Enabling this feature will block the cookies and tracking technologies of these vendors until a consent is given by the website user. Under this, there are two options available to block vendors: manually block vendors and auto-block vendors. In manually blocking, Seers Bot detects vendors and their cookies and technologies on a website that you may manually add or remove. In auto-blocking, Seers Bot automatically blocks these vendors like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel and Google Ad cookies. If you want to enable or disable these features, you need to click on Dashboard and go to Preferences. In Preferences you can see this Block Vendors Cookies and Tracking Technologies option. Enable this feature. Two more options will appear as you can see here. Auto-block vendors and manually block vendors. Enable auto-block vendors. By enabling this feature, all the vendors in this auto-block list will be automatically blocked. Now let's talk about manually block vendors. Go to the dashboard and click on Preferences. Disable this toggle and enable Manually Block Vendors option. By enabling this, you can manually add or block cookie vendors as per your preferences. Let me show you how to do this. Click on this Add New button. Add title. Select your category. Add the cookie source. Select the type, and click on Save. As you can see, Facebook Pixel Vendor is added to manual blocking. If this toggle is enabled, that means your SMP banner is blocking Facebook Pixel cookies until the consent is given. Did you see that setting up the Seers consent banner is so easy? From integration to banner layout and banner content, everything is so simple. So this was a short demo of Seers Consent Management Platform. Hope you like it.